Hey, how's it going, guys? Nick White here. I do tech and coding stuff on Twitch and YouTube, and that series I started the other day, I got kind of caught up, so I didn't get to finish it, but I did like 9 problems the other night in SQL, just plugging my computer in, and I didn't even do them in SQL. When I look at this, it actually says Oracle right here. I guess if I put SQL, we would think that I meant Microsoft SQL Server. I didn't do that, but you can imagine they're all pretty much the same up until this point. We're just doing simple queries anyway, but I really want to use MySQL. That's what I should start titling these. So I'm going to title them MySQL from now on, and we were on Weather Observatory 1 or something in my last video. Yeah, Observation Station 1. There is no Weather Observation Station 2. It's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No 2. Really weird. But, yeah, we're going to do number 3. Hopefully you guys have been watching up until this point. It's pretty easy. Got my chips and guac. Look at this. It's a little mini guac package and a little mini bag of chips. Pretty good. Good like snack or whatever. But query a list of city names. Okay, maybe I shouldn't open chips while I'm talking. Query a list of city names from station. They try to trip you up right here. City names from station. So in all the previous videos, the table was called city. Well, guess what? Now it's called station. So there's a bunch of stations, and they all have city names. So we're querying city names from station with even numbers, IDs only. So ID is a number, and we want even numbers only. Let's do this part first. City names from station with an even ID. Well, we're using MySQL now, and I'm going in caps locks. Select city. It's not city name, it's just city. That is a name, though. From station, our station table. Select field from station, from table, where ID mod 2, meaning the ID, whatever the ID is, if it's 10, and then we take the remainder of 2, and if it's equal to 0, we know it's an even number. So now we have the city names from the station table where the ID is an even number. Because anything that you take the remainder of 2 from, so 2 goes into 10 5 times evenly. If it doesn't go in evenly, there would be a remainder of 1. That would mean odd. But if it goes in evenly, it would be 0, remainder of 0. So that means even. That's how you do it. The only problem, this is going to fail because you can print the results in order, but must exclude duplicates. So if there's 2 cities, if there's 2 New York cities in this station table, you know, maybe it has a duplicate Grand Central Station from New York City, or just duplicate values or whatever. We want to exclude that. So to only have distinct values, we just need the distinct keyword, and that comes right before the field. Select distinct field from table where condition. So select distinct city from station where ID remainder 2 is 0 is going to give us the distinct entries in the station table where we have, and we get the distinct names of cities from the station table entries where the ID is even. And that's it. Pretty easy. We haven't gotten anything hard. I will say this has been a jump from the other ones, though. Definitely a little trickier. We got distinct. We got a new table now. And we got some better conditions. We're getting into some higher level stuff here, guys. All right, that's it for this one. I'm going to enjoy my chips and guac, and I'll see you guys in Weather Observation Station. What, not 3? This is 3. 4. Bye.